The biggest question for today, will Bitcoin drop to 70K levels? I'm gonna give you the answer. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening guys, wherever you are in this beautiful world, whenever you're watching this video, welcome to the Bitcoin family channel where the Bitcoin original, yes, is talking about Bitcoin, blockchain and life guys. In today's short news about Bybit hack, amazing news, also deep diving into the charts again. I have 4 amazing charts you need to see today that will help you stop freaking out and zoom out and stop crying and start buying. And of course, yes, I will dive into an inspirational quote at the end guys. Let's quickly jump into the amazing news first. Bam! The amazing news for today guys, Bybit was not hacked. It was Safe that was hacked. There was some kind of exploit that a hacker used, the Lazarus group, and we'll come back to those people later, but there was an exploit that they used in one of the Safe wallet developer machines which affected the Bybit wallet. So that is what happened. Bybit was not hacked and all, everything is safe on Bybit. It wasn't safe in Safe, but Safe is making sure that everything is safe now again. I need to say that very slowly because it's a lot of safe words in one sentence. So the exploit was on the Safe side, the cold wallet where Bybit does multiple signature. We are using it with Bam Bam as well. All our funds are safe, to be very clear. I still trust Safe to the fullest. It's a very well-built protocol that makes it possible also for the Bam Bam team to only send funds when we have multiple signatures so that we can't be hacked. So there was an exploit to one of the Safe developers' machines which led to the hacker being able to create this new screen that all the Bybit signers were signing, and they were not signing the correct screen but a fake Safe screen, and that was an exploit at the Safe side, not at Bybit side. So Bybit has not been hacked at all. Still, $1.4 billion in Ethereum was hacked. At the moment, $300 billion has already been mixed and changed into stable coins, etc. There is still $900 billion worth left in the wallet of the Lazarus group. And Bybit now launched a new website to attack the Lazarus group. It's called lazarusbounty.com. I will put the link down below. lazarusbounty.com. You can now become a bounty hunter and start to earn money by finding all the wallets that Lazarus Group is hiding their funds in and by getting them frozen. If you get them frozen, you will earn a huge commission. Check the website. And to be very clear, Bybit is still my preferred exchange, guys. Even that they weren't hacked, like even if they would have been hacked, it would still be my preferred exchange because they solved it perfectly. Even though they were not responsible for the hack, they still solved it perfectly for all their clients. Within 12 hours, everybody had done their withdrawals. I can see in my backend, people are depositing again. I want to ask you the same, guys. If you want to buy Bitcoin or trade any other currency, use my link down below to sign up to Bybit. Claim your bonus up to 30,000 US dollars, depending on how much you deposit, and many other bonuses there for the grabs if you use my exclusive link down below, guys. There is also a link to Blowfin and there is also a link to Apex Omni because those 3 exchanges are the best in my opinion. And Bybit has now been proving year after year that they are the best exchange. Even though they weren't hacked, they solved it tremendously. And now in the end, we find out the hack was on the side of Safe. That was the news for today, guys. News really short today because I'm gonna jump into the charts as I know you want an answer to the question, are we gonna drop to 70K with Bitcoin, yes or no? I'm gonna show you some amazing charts that will show you where we will fall the next couple of weeks, guys. Bam! The first chart for today, guys, is of course this 4-hour chart. Wow, again, what a crash. We crashed all the way, guys, to the lowest point over here. I will zoom a little bit more in so you can see the candles a little bit more clear. This is the lowest candle with a low of 82,133. That is a massive crash. Now the question is, are we going to drop to 70K levels over here, this green line in this huge area, 72K support? Are we going to crash there, or are we going to keep support over here? That's the main question a lot of people have. Now, the RSI at the bottom, I'm going to show you this. This is the RSI. Wait, double click. The RSI over here is this blue line. This is part of the indicator setup that we use as the Bitcoin family. This RSI, look, is creating a higher bottom on the 4 hour. You can see this over here. I will extend the line like this. So this is a very bullish sign. If we would go lower than this RSI, and let's be clear, this RSI was at 10, which is really, really low. The second now is over there at 14, so we're creating a higher low on the RSI. That is very positive. Now, if we now would go to look at the price, what is the price doing at the same time? Let me show you. At the same time, the price, I'm going to make the RSI a little bit more clear like this, over there, that's the RSI. At the same time, the price, what is the price doing? It's going like massively down, you know? So what does that mean if we see something like this in the chart? This is bullish divergence. This means the RSI is moving up, the price is moving down, there will be a reversal. Is that reversal now? That all depends if this RSI keeps trending up now, and on the next couple of candles there was already a buy signal in the indicator setup, like you can see, but you can also clearly see that the candle did not close above the yellow stepping line. There is no green hills over here. The green line of the 3 lines is on top, which is bullish. The blue line is above the white line, which is bullish, but the white line is still trending downwards. It should be trending upwards, and the candle should be closing above that one. That would be a confirmation again for me that we are turning around on the 4-hour chart, guys. So be aware that there is a bullish divergence in the charts. Now then, this is the long-term chart. I shared already a couple of times this week with you guys. I don't need to share it again. I still believe we are very safe. Look where we are dropping. We are dropping almost to that red line. Now, this red line, that is the important one. The moment we will crash down below this red line, then I will tell you that the bull market is over. That is the moment when we will get a price cycle top indicator flashing. That is when this red line is being crossed by the candles. When that will happen, yes, I will turn bearish. At the moment, this is just a healthy pullback that will turn bullish again. Now just look to the previous move. I just want to show this to you guys. Let me see if I can draw. Look to this previous move. So we went from here, bam, up, bam, down, and then again, what did we do? We went up. So it's not strange that we are going down. And what we will do then again is go up. That is how Bitcoin moves in a bull market. That is just how Bitcoin moves. Now, that is also what we see in this chart. This is my ultimate monthly chart. You know this chart already for years. I'm sharing this chart. My top is what I said to you, 17 months after the halving, which would be somewhere here in September, begin October. And then again, the bear market bottom somewhere around October-ish 2026. And from there again to the next top will take again a certain amount of bars, like 33 bars, which will be 17 months after the halving again of 2028. 17 months after the halving again will be October, November, and then in 2029. That will be the new top. So for me, if you want to read this chart, then wait, I will give you this chart like this. You can screenshot the chart if you want, and then you can see all the numbers I have on this chart already for months, and where I believe the next bottoms and the next tops will be, guys. So please understand that this green line is still my hand-drawn line till the top. That is what I believe that will happen, guys. Analyze it for yourself. Do a screenshot. I will make my face a little bit smaller over there so you can make a good screenshot. 1, 2, 3, screenshot it. And now we dive into some more interesting charts, guys. The first one being this one. This one, I will keep my face small over there, guys. This one is the current bull market global money supply growth. So at the moment, our bull market has not been driven by an increase in the money supply. In 2015-17, there was an increase of 19.3% of the global money supply. You can see this here in the down below in this gray area. That was the increased money supply, 19%. That is what led into an insane bull market. In 2018 to 2021 bull market, we saw a 33% increase in the monetary supply. 33% increase in that bull market, which led into a Bitcoin bull market. Now, the current bull market increase is 6.8%, guys. 6.8%. There is a new president. When there is a new president elected, there will be a shitload of money being printed. That still needs to happen. That will be the increase of the global money supply, which again will lead into the last phase of the bull market. Look, the last phase of the bull market was the most money being printed. The last phase of the bull market, most money being printed. That is going to happen. We are just very low over here. Please understand this chart. Now, then I go into this one. This one is telling us if we are at that phase of the bull market, we could be in the biggest bear trap ever. Are we in that phase? Are we here after the first sentiment extreme? I believe yes. I believe now we are shaking out the last weekends before we go into renewed optimism, FOMO, and euphoria. That is what I believe. And I will show you that also on this chart. Because also on this chart, you can clearly see where we are at the moment, guys. You can clearly see that we are not at the top or the end of this bull market. It's just not there yet. The 2015-17 bull market, we had an 11,000% over 1,068 days. 2018-2021 bull market, we had a 2,000 performance over 1,060 days. The 2022 to the present bull market, we at the moment have a 566 plus performance over 800 days. Do you see what we are missing? We are missing another 260 days. Another 260 days before the top will be in, guys. And we had a 26 billion increase, a 1.2 trillion increase. At the moment, we already had a 1.78 trillion increase in market cap. There's another 200 days till the end of the bull market, and that is what we see over here. We are there. The end of the bull market top will be in this area, guys. In this area. So please understand that 10x over there is 10 times like 16K is 160K. If we end up at this gray line, that would be 160K. If we end up higher, that would be 200K and higher, guys. Very beautiful chart. Now, this is a chart that shows you how we could now continue this bull market. And I really like this chart because it's combining the Wall Street cheat sheet that most of you know. Look, that cheat sheet that you all are referring to when we think that we are in euphoria or thrill. You can paste this chart in many different ways. At the moment, this chart was pasted by someone that posted it on Twitter, and he's like, hey, it really looks like we just had disbelief, hope, and you are now here in this last part of the phase. I believe that we can also be over there at this crash, so that this area should be over there. And then we go into the last part. Euphoria, we have not seen euphoria. We haven't even seen thrill. We didn't even see the real belief again, like Bitcoin is going to be $200 million per Bitcoin. We haven't seen it. So a really cool chart that shows you, hey, maybe you are in this part of the market, and then maybe, yeah, it looks really in line with those tops. Okay? Amazing chart to show you where we could be at the moment. And yes, those blue lines, guys, to be clear, halving, and this will be the bear market of 2026. I like this chart. I really like this chart. I hope that we will see this, but I expect that we are now in this crash over there. We're a little bit further, and from there we will go up, sideways, bam, we fly. And that sideways period, like this is the crash now, this sideways period is going to be the summer, and from the summer, bam, we will see that. That is what I believe. Now, if you ask me what are the levels that we could fall to, guys, we could fall to 81,240, that's support, 76,000, that is support, 73,000, that is a support, and 69,500 is also support. Let's call it 70K support. These are the major support levels in my opinion. We still need to break these levels, and I know at the moment I need to check my ticker over there. We went even to 84K, so at the moment the chart should be over there. So 81K could be touched as a support level. I think I showed you yesterday there is a small gap around 75K to 80K. Maybe we'll fill that gap with a wick. Let's see, guys. Don't freak out, zoom out, stop crying, start buying. I hope you really enjoyed the charts, guys. Yes, of course, a little bit drama in this industry is always nice. Every bull market, again, I experience the same drama, the same doubtful people, the same influencers that are during the beginning of the bull market are like, yeah, we're going to 300K, yeah, we're going to make it, yeah, we're going to go up. And then when there is a moment of doubt, I can see them all like turning completely white, like, we don't know what is gonna happen. We are so doubting. We are so depressive. I don't think that Bitcoin is gonna make it. Maybe we would crash. Maybe this is the beginning of the bear market. And that is exactly the reason why you should be following me instead of all those influencers, as I will tell you the truth again and again and again. This is not the end of the bull market. This is just too much drama that will make your weak hands sell your Bitcoin to those people that will enjoy the last part of this bull market, that last part of the pump, that last part that I just showed you again on the charts. I'm not doubting at all. There is zero doubt in my mind. I still believe the top of this bull market will be in the end of this year. September, October would be 17 months after halving. That would be the most logic moment to have a new all-time high for Bitcoin. That is when we always see the top of the bull market 17 months after the halving, guys. And aside of that, every time when there is so much drama in the news, and Trump with his tariffs and this and that and that, every bull market we have the same shit of drama. Then it was China that was banning Bitcoin mining. Then it was China was banning Bitcoin in the whole. Then it was the NFTs that lost a lot of value. Then it was the FTX hack that will destroy the whole economy. Then it was this. Then it was that. Then it is this. And now people even say, yeah, with Trump, we are only going down. We can't make a new all-time high with Trump again. Guys, let me state this very clear. The last bull market, 2021 top, we had a president and a SEC. We had Biden, a guy who was almost dead, Gary Gensler, a guy who hated Bitcoin. All of those people, all of the news, Biden is not allowing Bitcoin, Gary Gensler is not doing all the ETFs, all of that negative news in the 2021 bull market, with a retarded president that was against Bitcoin, with a retarded SEC person, Gary Gensler, that was against Bitcoin, with a retarded United States that was completely against Bitcoin. Because of those people, during that time, we were even able to make an all-time high. And now you think that with a pro-crypto president that is even wanting to make a strategic Bitcoin reserve and a crypto reserve, that even hired a team of people around them that are all pro-Bitcoin, plus the fact that institutional money through BlackRock is flowing into spot ETFs, yes, also flowing out, the last 7 days only flowing out, but there will be a moment that will flow in back again. So all of that positiveness in the bull market, you think we won't do better than we did in the Biden period? You really think that this drama that is happening now was not there in that bull market? There was way more drama. At the moment, Bitcoin adoption is taking place all over the world. United States, Europe, Russia, China, BRICS countries, all of them are talking about Bitcoin. All of them are accumulating. The biggest tech companies are accumulating. The biggest whales are accumulating. And you think that with all this positive news, we can't outperform the 2021 bull market when we had everything against us. That is the logic that I can't understand in this industry. Too much drama. Fuck all the drama. Fuck all those influencers that are now doubting. Are you a real Bitcoiner? Did you experience the 2013, the 2017 and 21 bull market like I did? I lived those bull markets all in. I felt all the ups and downs. I really lived through these bull markets. I'm feeling the same things I felt in 2017 and 2021. I'm feeling this period of doubt where the prices are crashes, and you know what I do? When the blood is on the streets, you buy. Stop crying and start buying. And there is one more lesson I want to give to all those multi-million-dollar Bitcoiners out there, because I know most of those influencers are multi-millionaires, guys. And you're now doubting and freaking out, not even zooming out. You're all maybe even crying at evening. I don't know. Please understand that with 5 million plus, you belong to the 0.1% richest people of the world. Even with $1 million plus, you belong to the 0.8% of the most richest people of the world. We are not going to die if the price crashes with 20%. That's just another dip. A dip for you influencers to buy at all the profit that you make, just like me, with all the referral income that we have. we should be supporting this, we should be buying this, they're pushing this into the last part of the bull market. That is what I think about it, but who am I? I'm just a long-haired dude educating people every day about Bitcoin, blockchain, and life, and yes, I do think I can guess when the bull market top is if I look at TA. I am not paying any attention to all the noise, to all the drama. Fuck that drama. Look at the charts. This is a very beautiful pullback of Bitcoin, 20 to 30%. Like every time in every bull market, we have a few of them. You buy those dips and you run it to the top in September, October 2025. And then, yes, I will tell you to sell. And I will tell you to sell and I will tell you to buy again back at the bear market bottom. The world is not collapsing. United States terrorists are not making the whole world collapse. They could weaken the dollar, which would mean people would need to have a store of value instead of the dollar, which would mean that it would be leading to more buying in Bitcoin and gold. But yeah, that's my opinion, guys. Let's jump into the inspirational quote. The inspirational quote for today, guys. Please stay away from all those people that discourage or destroy your ambitions. Start to surround yourself with those great minds that will give you the feeling you can become great as well. Stay away from those small-minded people. And I'm not even only talking about real life. I'm also talking about social media life. Because I know you're all online for 6 to 8 hours every day on your telephones watching social media. Don't follow the small-minded people that don't understand anything about Bitcoin, blockchain, life, happiness, because they are still running the same hamster wheel you could be running. Start to surround you with great-minded people that really have a vision, that really understand the law of attraction, that really understand manifesting, that really understand visualizing, that really understand Bitcoin, that really understand technology, that really have a vision about the future with all these technologies combined. Start to surround you more and more with great-minded people that will give you the feeling that you can become great as well. Small-minded people will always say no to every idea that you have. No, that's not possible. No, that you can't do that. No, you can't reach that goal. No, that's not a good passion. No, that's not a good job. No, 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 no. That's small-minded people. They have a brain tiny as this, like a walnut. Stay away from small-minded people. Start to focus on great-minded people. Same thing for your social media. Block all that shit that you're watching that is nothing. Start to follow inspirational people, start to follow people that are successful, start to follow people that really have shown in the last decade that they did a good job for the world, for the people, and also for their finance. You should be following those people instead of all those naysayers, small-minded people that just got lucky because they did something right in their life. Once as a single guy became a YouTube influencer because he had one big bet and became filthy rich, and then he thinks he knows everything. You can follow that guy, or you can follow a guy like me that has been living unbanked, yes, as a Bitcoin maxi, believing in peaceful energy, with a full family of 3 daughters, a dog and a wife. Yes, I didn't say gay dog, a dog and a wife, traveling the world already for 8 years, promoting Bitcoin, living life to the fullest, and showing you what life is about. I would know who to follow, but I do see people prefer to follow other ones, the more small-minded people, because they have a shitload more followers than me. So maybe I should become small-minded. Maybe I should eat more walnuts so my brain would look like a small walnut. Something like that, guys. Now, that's the inspirational quote for today. I don't want any hate to any other influencers, guys. That's not like my thing. I love everyone out there. But if it comes to me giving you advice, I would start to focus on great-minded people, surround you with those people that want to make you great as well, that want to even give you only the feeling you can be great as well. Because if you feel you can become great, you will go for it. You will start to run for greatness. If you always are confronted with small-minded people thoughts, you can't become great, you need to stay small, you need to do this, you will stay small. You will not change life. You will be as tiny as a hamster running the hamster wheel. If you want to become a free person, like a bird that flies all over the world without any limitations, then yes, you need to start following those people that are living that life like that, that are showing it's possible. That was my inspirational quote for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy the video, please give the video a thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Leave me a comment about the news or about the charts or about the last inspirational quote. And please share this video with one of your friends, family or colleagues today and ask them, give this guy some support, subscribe to his channel. Let's push him together to 100k subscribers in the next couple of months, guys. Thank you for watching. I wish you an amazing Thursday. Yes, see you tomorrow again. Bam.